my god, it's black.
Yeah. I'ma hang out with the misfits. Break bread with the peasants. Spend time with the loners. Raise hell up in heaven. Pick up with the dropouts. Get high with the have-nots. Stand up for the weak ones. Go to war with the standouts. I'ma get lit for the dark ones. I'ma get high for the dope fiends. I'ma get rich on you broke hoes.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's CRX-Pert here with you. So if you watched my last video, you saw that we did the glitter dash, and we had some pieces that we needed to custom make. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I built my custom vent deletes. So as you see here, these guys are very open, and I don't have heat or AC. It looks the same way on the other side because I pulled that one out. So what I'm thinking about doing is I went to Ace Hardware and I got a really thin sheet of aluminum or steel, I don't know, one of the two, and I got some rivets, so that's going to be nice. Basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be tracing out this piece here, and I'm going to be making an aluminum cover for this, and I'm planning on probably wrapping it with carbon fiber and riveting everything together and giving it a really cool look. So stay tuned, let's get started. Okay, so we got a rough template laid out with the curvature of the piece. I traced it out in Sharpie. So we're going to go through here and cut this out. These scissors actually work amazing, which is pretty rad. So we're going to go through here, trace all this out, and get an exact template to cover up this piece here. And yeah. So we got the piece formed around it. Actually a really nice fit. A couple areas like up here where we need to just get a little bit more of a bend. But this is actually looking pretty dang close to what we're needing. So what we're gonna go through and do now is I think we're probably just gonna clamp this together and then start drilling a couple holes like through this piece here so we have something to rivet to. Okay, so we got a template made out. It actually fits really nice. So I'm not sure how we're gonna get it to be stuck in there. I don't know if I'm gonna rivet it to the dash or if I'm just gonna throw some adhesive around the backside. I might even do like some 3-in tape. I mean, it's sticking pretty good, just like in there by how it is right now. We're gonna have to figure something out. I think I'm gonna try to carbon fiber wrap that just to give that dash a little bit more of a black offset to match, you know, all the other black stuff in here. Okay, everybody, so it's been about a week. We finally got our package in. Let's check it out, make sure it's gonna be the right thing. Oh yeah. Yep. This looks like it'll do the trick. Cool. Let's get it on those pieces over here. I'm gonna pull them out of the car right now because they've just been sitting in there so I don't lose them. Basically test fitting them for, you know, this day. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw this on right now and get this job finished up, see how dope this looks. Okay, so there we have it. I got it all wrapped up nicely. I mean, the back's still the metal. That's because I'm gonna probably throw like a thin little piece of glue on it. I didn't think it was gonna stick on where the carbon is, but it looks legit. I mean, I doubt anybody's ever gonna be able to tell that it's fake unless they watch the video. But hey, either way, it's custom and we did it ourselves, so that's awesome. Alright everybody, so I ran down to Ace Hardware and I went and picked up some of this heavy duty construction adhesive for us to be able to glue in these custom pieces that we made here. A lot of my buddies that work construction say that this stuff is actually really awesome. It's super tacky and it's extremely fast drying, and that's what we want. It also is going to have a little bit of rubberized, yeah, I don't know. It's gonna have a little bit of rubber material to it, so so it's gonna be able to flex and everything with the car's, you know, vibration and everything, especially with being lowered how I am, you know, and hitting bumps. That flexibility is definitely a positive because that way it's not going to, you know, just pop out of place. You know, it's gonna have some sort of give and take to it. So we're gonna go ahead and throw some of this glue onto these pieces, slap them into place, and see what happens. Alright, I got both pieces clamped up with these massive, I think they're called wood clamps, but basically I got it hooked to the bottom of the dash down here and on top up here to apply pressure onto the piece. So we're just going to let these sit for a while and just basically let them cure. Once they're all hardened up, then we will come back and I'll do a video showing what they came out looking like. And I think this looks awesome. This really completes the dash for sure. That cleans up that one piece that I had because I messed that up with the whole dash setup that I did. That's okay. So like I said before, I don't have heat or air conditioning, so that's fine with me. These look awesome, and I really dig it. So yeah, be sure to give the page a like and a subscribe. Keep following all my content. I'm going to continue to drop content every Friday, and yeah, I'm just going to keep trying to do that. I mean, it gets kind of expensive, you know, and have to keep buying things for the car in order to make content and stuff, but it's fun. I enjoy doing it, and I appreciate every one of you that watch my videos, guys. So yeah, like I said, be sure to give me a like and a subscribe. Check out all the other channels too, like another effing CRX page. They're really good too. CRX Seth, he's killing it out there. But right on, guys. Have a good rest of your day.